Hi, I'm Plexi Cosplay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the test print that came with your Anycubic resin printer. I'm using an Anycubic Photon Mono X printer, but you should have a USB drive that comes along with your printer, probably with just about any brand, and on that is a test print. I'm going to show you how to do that right here in this video, so follow along. So I'm going to try to print whatever comes with the resin printer. They say it's on this USB stick, so let's give it a go. Sure, that seems about right. There's a max line in there that says that you can't raise above it. I'll pour a little bit close to the max line. Once you have the resin is to put on the cover. Print. We're going to do the test print. And then push play. As it starts to print, you'll see it has a computer screen image here. This is the layer that it's shining the UV light up into the resin and onto the plate that lowered down. And so this is the section that it's curing right now, is that little dot. It'll show you the layers here. This is layer 1 of 1,481 for me. And it shows you the amount of time it will take, 3 hours and 47 minutes to complete this print. In a little while, I'm going to wait until there's, I don't know, 10 or 20 layers here. I'm going to push pause. It'll raise it up. Don't push stop because that'll cancel the whole thing. But when you pause it, it'll cure that layer that it's working on, raise it up, and you can see and make sure that it's actually cured a few layers. So you can check it out before you keep going. And then you'll push play again and it'll resume where it had left off. Okay, so I push pause and we're going to see how our print is looking. It pauses, it finishes the layer that it did, and then it raises the platform. So the way you can tell that it's working is you look under the platform and you can see right there in the middle there is some print, just a few layers. So you just push play and it will resume where it had left off. Okay, so I believe my print is now finished. You can check it out there. So now that it's finished, my directions don't actually say what to do next, so I'm going to take a guess. Let's say you can recycle and save the resin. So I'll do that later. I'm just going to funnel it back into the pot of resin. So I need to remove it from the printing platform. So I'm just unscrewing the top and I'm going to pull this out and get resin everywhere. So it's on the platform here. I'm gonna just scrape it off, I think. I'm gonna put this back on so that I can stop dumping resin all over the floor. And check it out. There's my resin print. So if you want to know how to, you have this now. If you were to leave it like this, it'll stay sticky because you have to wash it. I have a wash and cure station, so I'll show you how to wash and cure with your wash and cure station next. But that is how you print using your Anycubic resin printer. So I hope your resin print turned out great. If there's any problems with that test print, that's how you know that something was wrong in the setup process. Relevel your printer, follow the directions for setup again, and then do another test print to check your work. Like and subscribe to this video. Please go ahead and follow me along here. I do tutorials every Tuesday and I'll do some more resin printing tutorials as well. Follow me on my socials, Plexi Cosplay, and my website, plexicosplay.com. See you next week.